I'm gutted. So I promised you this week that I would be releasing my Nightlatch and deadlock course, mortise lock course should I say. I will be releasing the Nightlatch course, that'll be ready. But I've fitted these today, trying to get it finished. So the Euro spec, British standard deadlock, as required by the MLA exam, if you're going to take the MLA exam, and it is apparently is a Euro spec that's fitted. So that's all done. Done the videos for that, then done a video for this, just union strong bolt. Just gone to edit them. I had one more video to do, just gone to edit them, and there's no sound. I'm absolutely gutted. It's taken me ages to get to this point, and I really wanted to try and do it this week because I'm going away for 3 weeks. So really wanted to try and do that so that it was done and I could just relax, but it's not going to get done now before I go away. So when I come back, I'll revisit the deadlocks. But the Nightlatches, you can buy the Nightlatch course, $59.99, and the link is in the description below if you want to buy it. There's 16 videos, I believe. I can't remember now. It's been a while. 16 videos for you to watch, and we literally, I literally fit everything from a Yale 85, do a Yale, a traditional Nightlatch. The era non-British standard, or a roller latch, which is interesting because they can be quite tricky with the keep. So there's a roller latch. Then we upgrade the 85 to the era British standard, and we also fresh fit the Yale PBS 1, so the Yale British standard Nightlatch as well. Loads of little hints and tips, how to make good if you're changing from a 40mm back set to a 60 or vice versa. How to pack out the keeps if you haven't got packers. Loads and loads of little bits and pieces. I think it's a really good course, but then I would say that because it's mine. But yeah, really useful. $59.99. If you want it, click the link or go on the link below and that'll take you to where you can buy it. And also on another note, which is another bit of a gutter for me this week, is I've had 3 people now contact me saying that they've left the comment in my video for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway, and I asked everyone who wanted to be entered to leave leave in the comments hashtag Brighton Hove Locksmiths 3,000, I think it was. Can't even remember myself now, but not one has appeared. All the other comments are there, but nobody who's left the hashtag or the hashtag comment has appeared. So unfortunately what I'm gonna have to do is, again, when I come back from holiday, I'll have to look at the reasons why that hasn't appeared. In fact, if anybody of you know why that might have happened, is that something to do with YouTube? They've prevented it from going on now, I don't know. But yeah, I'll have to revisit that as well when I get back from holiday, and yeah, hopefully we get that all sorted as well, and get somebody booked in for the 3 days shadowing, and Apex we're going to give us a starter kit as well, which would be fantastic. Right guys, by the Nightlatch course, especially if you're a new locksmith, there's still so many locksmith courses out there that don't show any lock fitting. So this is really, I think it's really useful, and well worth knowing. But like I say, the mortise locks, I will revisit that as soon as I'm back from holiday. I'll get that done, and you'll be able to buy that as well. All right guys, take care, love you all. See you in about 4 weeks now.